Feliz Navidad.
Amigo.
Sorry, it's not possible. Y eso yo también.
Что-то продает, что ли?
Салфетки.
А, салфетки продает.
Do you know a little of Spanish or not?
Not so much. Hasta la vista.
La cuenta ya. Adiós.
I understand a little bit some words. Adios, yes. Because I know a bit of Italian and French as well, but not Spanish. You know, when I went to school, I had a choice to learn Italian, German, and French, so I picked them up. I picked from all the languages, these 3 languages. But I didn't like Spanish language. I don't know why. Because actually Spanish
It's
kind of
difficult, Spain.
it's
Spanish
kind
is
of
difficult.
anyways from Latino language. It's come from Latin language as well as Italian and French. So it wouldn't be so difficult for me to learn Spanish as well because I already know some French and some Italian. But on that time I didn't like Spanish language just, so I didn't like how it sounded. But right now I feel pity about it because now I think it would be nice if I could some Spanish because there is so much Spanish talking people. And for example, if we go to Latin America, maybe I need to learn some Spanish. So, and Spanish language, it sounds nice to me right now. So, yeah, but
You have changed your mind.
I have changed my mind. Also, I would like to learn French in a really high level. So not just like talking a little bit, but I would like to speak frequently.
I'm trying to improve my English because I know a little of English, but it's not enough to work in English. It's just to don't deep eat before the hunger. Before not because of the
But if you talk like you talk right now,
what?
if you talk English as you do right now, so I don't think it will be so.
Так, друзья, попозже на связи. В целях экономии батареи смотрите Анзор ТВ. Двигаемся в Солнечную Калифорнию. Находимся в Испании.
Inside of your